result atera karubata kasata wewe 15 aho kugira ngo wa simbo yo mwa harba candidates bitu ukaba fault so hatwa amaze kule tafayinga result ngo twatera karuba kitu kandi kumukureba twatera karuba ko bisinje abantu tana pechirinche konka no abantu hatu bari mu misiri yabo so ni result Lopez konka at least so far so good takabire muvuyo
umukintu cy'inkuza kubanza kutandikiraho nicyo kubanza na security ba akaruraka baheza karangira officer nicyo kubanza na security ecya kabiri n'ibyamagara ecya kashatu n'enguto ecya kana na mizi.
It is calmness around all polling stations and people have turned up for voting. Abantu bazi kukuba kalulu kubanga abantu abakulembeze babagala ne security eri bulungi ba agents bali bulungi
akarura akaniteeka ngo nikiza twashye size kataka jizire rwali nikaza kukasa zo kuchinga kataka jizire rwali aho kubatina ndu biyona ya itori mu kurigero bona itororo mu town yibandage.
As per now we have 101 voters fully verified by the machine, and the voting is running on well. During presidential elections, the machines never worked well. We opted to use the registers, but now the machines are working so smoothly.